3. Okay, it's recess time. Okay. What color? What color? White. It's white. Right, Michael? Say it. Yum. Yummy, like the witch's candy. The House of the Witch has a lot of candies. There's wafer and chocolates and like this. And jelly beans. And crackers and cookies. Did you say thank you to Jesus for the food that we're eating? For the food that we have? Where's the pink? That's pink, okay? Where's the blue cookie? Good. Show the blue cookie. Blue. Show. Okay, good. Oh, no, what are you doing? Ay! No, strong. No, strong. No. Okay, because of the cookie, you're strong. Very good.
Ma'am, pwede po to?
No, that's clean. Kakainin mo? Oh, you eat it. Okay, come on. Yummy. Yummy. Eto piles, pakikuha na lang, no? Okay. Naku, naka-ano tayo? Naka-video. Okay, let's stop now. Okay, we're all eating. It's recess time. Naku, Ellie will come here, oh. Okay. Thanks. You say thank you. Ay, you didn't say thank you.
Welcome ako.
You have to say thank you. Okay? Okay, we're done. Okay, we're done. Wait. Bye for now. Happy eating.